Okay. Stroke and chiropractic. Let's talk about other urban legends as well. Don't flash your lights on the freeway, a gang member will shoot you. Okay, first off, let's look at the actual natural fact. If you look at a normal curve in the neck, it should be a gentle curve. What we typically see is forward head carriage, reverse curve, twisting, rotational, buckling. Now, if the curve is lost, the only way you can correct this back to normal is through an adjustment. Okay, now the adjustment takes about 4 pounds of pressure. We typically use our fingertip, and the head is it's no rotated, no more than this. Okay, so it's very, very simple. If you do a PubMed search for stroke and chiropractic, it says it's no more than a visit to a standard doctor. Okay, well, I have a big challenge with that. First off, you're not going to get a stroke by going to a chiropractor. There's not enough force loading on it. When you look at it, they're talking about vertebral basilar stroke, and that requires a horrific amount of torque on the neck. But you also need weakened blood vessels. So it's not a problem of the neck, it's a systemic problem with the blood vessels. How about the real risk of stroke and heart attack? How about what a person with an abnormally shaped neck takes? How about a non-steroidal anti-inflammatory? That's one of the leading causes of heart attacks, the leading cause of high blood pressure, one of the leading causes of stroke is the drugs used to treat a symptom that your body's giving you to correct it. Go see your chiropractor, stop stupid stuff, make sure the chiropractor takes an x-ray to identify a problem and fix the problem. That's where most headaches come from: carpal tunnel syndrome, shoulder rotator cuff problems, asthma and breathing problems. Fix the neck or drug it. Drugs kill, fixing helps.